The bee. The bee is one of the most important insects on the planet, playing a crucial role in the preservation of biodiversity and agricultural production. This small creature impresses not only with the complexity of its anatomy and social organization, but also with its valuable contribution to the ecosystem. The bee belongs to the invertebrate animals. Its body is divided into three main parts: the head, thorax, and abdomen. The head includes two compound eyes on the sides and three simple ones on the top, antennae that function as sensory organs, and the mouth with the proboscis for absorbing nectar. On the thorax are the 6 legs and 2 pairs of wings, which allow it to fly with speed and precision. The abdomen is divided into rings, where the digestive and reproductive organs are located. In workers, the wax glands are also located between the rings. The last of the rings has the stinger, which is used for defense. Only female bees have stingers. When the worker bee tries to leave after the sting, the stinger separates from its abdomen along with the venom gland and part of its digestive system. Having lost vital organs, it dies after a short time. The honeybee society is one of the most well-organized in nature. A hive can contain from 20,000 to 40,000 bees, divided into 3 main categories. Queen. Unique in the hive, the queen has the exclusive role of reproduction. She lays up to 2,000 eggs per day. Workers. These are the female bees that do not reproduce. They perform various tasks, such as building the hive, cleaning and protecting it, collecting nectar and pollen and producing honey, feeding the queen royal jelly, and caring for the larvae. Drones. These are the male bees. They make up about 10% of the hive. They heat and ventilate the hive and distribute nectar to its cells. But mainly they mate with the queen. After fertilizing her, they die. The beehive is the home of bees and an impressive example of physical engineering. It consists of honeycombs, made of wax, and containing hexagonal cells. These cells are used for the storage of honey, pollen, and the development of larvae. The queen lays eggs in the cells of the combs. Each egg is very small and looks like a small white dot. From the first to the 3rd day the egg remains stable inside the cell. On the 4th day it hatches into a larva. The workers feed the larvae royal jelly for the first 3 days. Then, the worker larvae feed on a mixture of pollen and honey. The royal larvae continue to feed exclusively on royal jelly. After 6 days as larvae, the workers seal the cell with wax. The larva then transforms into a nymph. Inside the cell, the larva undergoes metamorphosis, acquiring the characteristics of an adult bee. The development period for workers lasts 21 days, for the queen 16, and for drones 24. Honey is the result of the work of thousands of bees. They collect nectar from flowers and turn it into honey, which is rich in nutrients and has many healing properties. Beeswax is a natural substance secreted by worker bees to build honeycombs. It is produced by the wax glands located on the abdomen of young workers. Royal jelly is a thick, nutritious substance secreted by the pharyngeal glands of young worker bees. The bee's greatest contribution is pollination, the transfer of pollen from flower to flower, which ensures plant reproduction. Approximately 70% of crops depend on pollination, making bees irreplaceable for food security. Unfortunately, bees are threatened by the use of pesticides and the destruction of the natural environment where they live and breed. Their protection is vital, as their extinction would have devastating consequences for the environment and humanity.